How does blockchain work? Think of blockchain as a digital ledger, like a checkbook, of debits and credits that everyone can see, but no one can erase. Every time someone makes a transaction, it's written down in this digital ledger book. Here's the interesting part. Instead of one person holding the checkbook, it's copied and shared across thousands of computers around the world. So if anyone tries to cheat, erase, or change the records, the distributed copies will instantly expose it. The digital transactions are grouped into blocks. Each block is connected or chained to the previous transaction using a first-in-line, first-in-time algorithm, assigning each digital transaction with a random digital account number established by something called cryptographic hashing. The randomized numbering for assigning transaction IDs. As the transactions are recorded in the block, they are sequential, and that's why it's called a blockchain. Now, blockchain technology is self-governing, meaning it does not need to be verified by an external ruling body. Blockchain transactions are required to be verified by its individual nodes, designed within the computer coding itself. So who decides a digital transaction is valid? The verified validators within the network, acting as the nodes to confirm the transaction is true and correct. It is like having several internal checkpoints that verify, not any single point of approval. It's just like having its own checks and balances built into this distributed digital ledger system. And with this type of digital transaction is secure, transparent, and nearly impossible to tamper with. It makes trustless systems possible, where you don't need a bank, lawyer, or middleman to verify a digital transaction is true and correct. And that's the magic of blockchain, a technology that records, secures, and verifies digital transactions in a way the world has never seen before. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Innovative Economy.